Hey girl, hey. My husband. Well, guys, as you can see, another seafood boil. And that's my husband right there, and my baby girl, and then my baby is right there to the side. He doesn't want to show his face right now. So, guys, I'm gonna let my baby show y'all guys what we have going on. Go ahead, babe.
We got two different sizes of shrimp. What shrimp size?
Jumbo and small. I mean jumbo and
we
large.
have some shrimp right here. We have some mussels, and we have corn in it. In my other plate, I have a potato, an egg, sausage, some pop stickers, and some
crab.
Snow crab.
Okay, and then today we have some butter sauce. It might look a little like, I don't know. I think all butter sauce starting to look alike to me. And then we got some soy sauce right here. And then we got our infamous cutie cute sauce right here. I'm gonna leave this open because I'm so hungry. And also I made some carrot fries. No, why would I call it carrot fries? Carrot.
Sticks.
And then also we have some cucumber salad right here. This recipe right here is not from Q to Q or nothing. It's my own recipe. So if y'all guys want to go ahead, that's the same recipe that I had last time. In case y'all wondering. But let us say our grace. God, thank you for this food. Blessed it don't have in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Can you read the size over here?
Oh shoot.
Well, I can't really.
So guys, cooking, we started at oh, and also I made my tea. I call this tropical tea. So it's mango, orange juice, and lime, and of course tea, and it tastes so good. No sugar required. So guys, let's dig in. I'm not gonna talk a lot right now because I am so hungry. Okay.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
shrimp fry, the sauce.
Mm.
Spot, what are you eating?
Mm. And what is this? Dumpling.
Pop stickers.
So guys, I hope your day went well today. I was off, thank God. Did I eat up all the mussel? We had.
I only have one potato.
Oh, you did? How many I had? I have one.
What's up, y'all? I'm here for moral support. We have two potatoes and you have two eggs.
You want to have my potato?
Y'all already know I'm vegetarian. Go check out my channel. Actually, I'm trying to eat too much nachos anyway, so I eat too much nachos. I told my friend that today. I was all like, they offered me some hot chips. I was like, nah, I'm not trying to eat too many carbs. They was like, oh no, she tripping.
So this school year is gonna be a dubomb.com, huh?
It is. And I'm so happy to get my pig. You know, it's only 2 people who want a pig so far.
Oh. Yo, I'm out of luck. Baby, how your muscle looking?
Oh, good.
Your muscles.
Oh. Mine is good, so let's start. Kind of spicy.
Dil, can you do me a favor? Can you bring me a paper plate and 2 spoons, please? Thank you, baby.
The outside is so good.
I didn't want to.
The butter sauce good.
Let me taste this. These are cucumbers.
Sorry.
Did I say napkins?
Are you using it?
I think I say pass your spoon or nothing. Just put those on the side.
This is good.
And also the Italian,
Wonton. Or milk popsicle.
that's too salty.
That's good.
Mm.
I love salty.
Mm. Yeah, it is too salty.
I like it. That's the mushroom soy sauce.
Oh, this is what I was about to do. Good.
Oh yeah. Now this always hit. It's a different.
I know, I'm saying the same thing. You need some salt? Yeah?
That's all I got. Let's be honest.
I was telling my mom, I was saying,
The last one you made, man, that one was fire.
I thought that one was gonna be on fire too, but I guess it's on hot. Fish is cute sauce, never. I was like, it's so good. Especially with eggs.
Oh yeah, that's the combo. The eggs and cutie sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all can send me some for tomorrow. Huh? Y'all can send me some.
Say
Cutie sauce. It might be going on.
I was gonna make it, cause right now since they don't really have that spicy chicken sandwich, so I was gonna go ahead and remake it. So I got you.
Bye.
These
Why
are-
you? You know what? Move.
That butter sauce did not come out so good.
Yeah, I mean, it isn't bad.
It's
I
too.
mixed it with a cutie sauce.
Mm.
Oh, okay. Cutie sauce with the corn. That's always fire. These mussels hit. Then she gotta hit the wall. These mussels, we got them from Aldi, right?
Mm-hmm.
They got some good mussels.
Yeah. I
Like
just wish I could find the big old mussels
the
that
green ones?
Yeah, I don't know where to find those at.
Oh, come see this sushi. Hit the wall. Maybe when we go to chicken market,
Mm.
we can
Oh my
find them.
God.
Snapper.
That is so good. Damn, I want.
Sausage. Sausage and kitty sauce. Good too.
The cucumber, sausage, and rice. They doing that.
Oh yeah. We did that video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We was out here. That was for that. We did that.
So,
Excuse me.
so this shrimps, look at this.
They shrunk real.
Real bad. I mean, they was so big.
They was big at first.
It was big, but
Mukbang. Ooh, hit the dance, do the neck thing.
one thing I do gotta tell you guys, whenever
Oh no.
whenever you make your
Copyright.
butter sauce, then we don't need no background. Whenever we make the butter sauce and stuff. Well, I made it with the cheap butter. I didn't have unsalted butter, so it came out so watery. I'm so disappointed.
I still like it.
But my baby said he did mix it with the QQ sauce, so I don't know how to take.
Do, 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 do. It's Elmo's
That is
world.
so good.
Yeah, I've been so sick this whole entire day. And I go to school, and it'll make it no better. So I've been sniffling and whistling the whole day today.
Mm. I'm getting kind of full.
You haven't even touched your crab yet.
I know, right? Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, I forgot about my sausage.
You know what's interesting? Watching y'all eat on camera. It's like different. And the motion is slower.
Mm. Spot.
Whoa.
Mm-mm-mm-mm. Try this. The normally, if I don't have a QQ sauce, normally what I do with the dip for, I call this carrot fry. I put ranch and some sriracha sauce. Mix it. It tastes so good with this. And then yeah. And then for the cucumbers, I did. Dang it, I forgot what I did with it, but so good.
Oh yeah, the crab leg. I remember the first time I made seafood all by myself. I kind of overcooked it, but we're not gonna talk about that. Just know I made it.
Another story from the day. Yeah.
It's because I put the king crab at the bottom, and like all the seasonings that's like real easy to cook. They always at the bottom.
Oh, look.
Hey. Oh, I know why. I put salt in a pan. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but I put salt. For some reason, I had got it from a video, and I was like, "Am I supposed to put salt in here?" And I put salt in a pot with the water. So, yeah, it don't look all but just know if you put salt in the water you about to boil your crab in, it's easier to
Guys,
do something.
that's cool. Guys, one thing that I'm learning right now, as far as my channel and stuff go, I love doing random videos like this for YouTube. And I know I don't have many subscribers or nothing, but I don't know, I just like the entertainment part of it and talking. But I see what QDQ be talking about. She started from nothing and then she worked her way to the top. Just like Be Love and everybody else. In this world ain't nothing really handed to you. So, if you starting with one subscriber, even two, or even seven like me, you keep on pushing if you like what you do. If you don't, but
You gotta finish it off because yeah, you got a few more seconds.
so guys. But anyways, that's my cue for today. Y'all gotta stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, put God first. Cause you and you and you are special and you are beautiful. Bye.